This is the OEM stock third brake light. And this is the new LED F1 strobe flash third brake light. Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the third brake light out of C6 Corvette. This is a smoked out LED light that replaces the OEM one, and it has a feature called the LED strobe light, or the F1 strobe light, sorry. And that just means every time you hit the brake pedal, it flashes 5 times and then stays steady. It's used in F1 when it's commonly referred to as a rain light, so you can see a car when it hits the brakes. But I don't know if I'm gonna like that feature or not, so it comes with an on and off switch. I'll demonstrate what it looks like. Anyways, let's jump right into the install. Please excuse all of the dust on the car. I know it's dirty, don't mind it. Anyway, this little tiny wing that's holding the brake light has to come off, and in order to do that, you have to remove the T15 screw in one of the taillights, pull it out, disconnect the light from in there after you reach around, and then there's 4 bolts that is holding this little thing on. After you take that one light out, go ahead, stick your arm in here and remove those bolts right there. There's 4 of them. There's also a connector in the middle that I've already pulled off. Unless you have extremely long arms, you're not going to be able to reach these 2 bolts from this hole, so you've got to take this light out too. Once those 4 bolts are off and the light is disconnected, you're able to pull it right off like that. Now, the 2 studs in the middle have to come off in order to get the light out. The red one's the old one and the black one is the new one. So the old OEM one's not LED, the new one is LED. This is what it looks like with the black one installed. Blends in very nice, just how I wanted to. Now before I install this back on the car, I'm gonna give this area a good clean. That is much better. Let's throw her back on there. Now attached to the new light here is a switch. This is the strobe feature switch. When it's toggled on, every time you hit the brake pedal, it will flash 5 times and then stay illuminated steady with the other brake lights. When the toggle is switched off, there will be no strobe feature. It will just illuminate with the other brake lights. So I'm going to demonstrate what both of those look like. This is the new light with strobe feature on. And this is the new light with the strobe feature turned off. This car used to have red side markers and orange front side markers. I hated them. They looked terrible on this color. So did that red third brake light. That's why I got a blacked out one to match the black little spoiler. And I think I need new taillights. That is just a hint for what is coming eventually. I don't know when, but definitely in the future. We're getting rid of the red taillights. I'm thinking clear smoked centers. I think it would look really good with the clear side reflectors. But anyway, that is how you change a third brake light in a C6 Corvette. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one.